What's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video, and then this is introduction to Photoshop. And then on this episode, you are getting to know every single tool in Photoshop. So we are going to start with the Move tool and then the Patch tool. Let's get into it. So now that we are in Photoshop, the Move tool, which is the first on the tool list, is actually used for moving things around on our workspace. So let's say we have a triangle. We have a rectangle. Yeah, so this rectangle, let's change the color. Let's come here, make it black. So let's say we have this rectangle and then we want to move it from this side of the screen to a different side. So we are going to come here. With this is the Move tool, and then we drag to the precise place we want the square to be. Yeah, and then the shortcut key for the Move tool is V. Yeah, just V on the keyboard. So we just type V on the keyboard, and then you have your Move tool on the go. Now, secondly, when we go to the layers panel, let's see if we have more than one object we want to move around our workspace. So let's copy this rectangle. So we have a duplicate of our rectangle here. And then let's create another shape. So triangle. We have a triangle. So in this case, we have 3 shapes, and I want to move 2 of these shapes around our working area. So you just have to click on which one you want to. So these are the layers. There's a triangle. There's the second rectangle. There's the first triangle I drew. So you just tap on it and then you move it. Yeah. And then you tap on it, you move it. You tap on it, you move it. Now, if I want to move all these 3 shapes around the working area, I just have to select the first one and then click and hold Shift. So you click and hold Shift, and then you click on the last one, and there you go, you have everything selected. Now, for the Patch tool, let's open up a picture from our desktop. So you just go to File, and then you see Open, and then New, just click on Open. Or simply, you can use Ctrl O for Open. So let's look for a picture here. So let's wait for our picture to load into Photoshop. Now that we have our picture in Photoshop, and then we have the Patch tool selected. So let's close this. Now, the Patch tool is also basically for, like, let's say, selecting a portion of the image you're working with and then replacing it with a different side of the picture. So let's say I want to replace this. I don't know if it's a cap, whatever it is. So I want to replace it. I'll just click and then draw over it like this. Like this, and then you just move it to somewhere else, and then it will be replaced. Simple. So there's not a perfect example for the Patch tool, but for a start, just so you can see what the Patch tool is used for. So let's undo that. Yeah. So, and then even in Photoshop, you realize that when you place the mouse pointer on the tool, it gives you a short tutorial on how to use the tool. So for the Patch tool, it replaces a selected area with pixels from another part of the image. Simple as that. Now, thank you for staying with us. Make sure you like, your comment, and then subscribe to the channel. Let's grow. See you in the next video.